And welcome back. Second half action now. Cavalier FC went down 2-0 to SV Robinhood of Suriname in the second leg final of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup on Wednesday night at the National Stadium to lose the two-way tie 3-0 on aggregate. Player of the match, Franklin Singo de Cromo in the 89th minute and captain Jamilio Richters in time added secured the dramatic win for the Surinamese club in a game in which Cavalier ended with 10 players. The Jamaican club had trailed 1-0 from the first leg final last week in Suriname. Cavalier's Chanel Thomas was sent off in the 55th minute for a second bookable offence. Incidentally, Thomas also collected the award for being the top goal scorer of the competition.
I think it's a positive campaign for us. I'm a little bit disappointed that at the end we're not able to win, but we can't take away anything from the boys. They tried, and we all tried as a team. I'm disappointed more than anything else. This is the 8th final Cavalier has played into this year. This team has actually gone to 5, and we have only won 1. So that's really where the disappointed is. We are not able to go over that hurdle.